Most people spend lots of time working on being more attractive. Whether through diet, exercise, makeup, or style, everyone wants to look and feel their best. If you're trying to attract a new partner, keep the attraction between you and your current partner, or just feel more attractive for yourself. There are tons of easy tips and tricks to increase your attractiveness. Check out these 20 quick and easy tips to look and feel more attractive. Number 1. Stand tall. Posture is one of the easiest fixes for feeling good. Standing tall portrays confidence, which is also important. Think about it, are you more likely to approach someone standing or sitting up tall, or someone slouching down in their chair? Number 2. Have passion. People are automatically more attractive to someone who is passionate about life and gives back. Find a local cause that you're interested in, or maybe it's time to start that business you've been daydreaming about. Whatever you choose, just put your all into it and your passion will show. Number 3. Be a good listener. In this day and age, everyone could stand to be a better listener. Most people are so busy looking for their chance to talk that they don't even know what the other is saying. Take the time to practice your listening skills and become an active listener in conversations. People will know that you are actually listening and appreciate that. Number 4. Be funny. Many times, people rate being funny as more important than looks when searching for a partner. Looks fade and change, but laughter and humor sustain. Take an improv or comedy class, check out local comedians, or just practice your jokes and timing if you don't feel very funny. Number 5. Get in shape. Working out and eating better can improve your mood greatly. This also translates to confidence and overall well-being, which is very attractive to others. Make sure that you are getting healthy for yourself, and not someone else. Number 6. Keep it hygienic. Good hygiene is an essential part of life. Nobody wants to be around someone who isn't taking care of themselves. Shower every day, brush your teeth and hair, and take care of your skin. This is an easy fix as most people do this already. If you think your hygiene is slacking, buy some new products or get a fresh haircut to get you back in your routine. Number 7. Positivity. Being a positive person automatically makes you more attractive to potential partners. Positivity attracts positivity, just as negativity attracts negativity. Work on having a positive attitude most of the time and it'll be easier and easier to maintain. Number 8. Upgrade your glasses. If you wear glasses that are dated or the wrong shape for your face, it can detract from your overall attractiveness. Check out new styles online through companies that will send you frames to try out for free in the comfort of your own home. Ask friends for their opinions of what looks best on you. Then rock your new specs with confidence. Number 9. Wear sunscreen. Sunscreen should be worn every single day. Your skin is your largest organ and is subjected to harmful rays which can cause wrinkling, sun damage, and even skin cancer. Take care of your skin daily. It is the first thing people will see, and first impressions are everything. Number 10. Take care of your nails. If you bite your nails or chew your cuticles, stop. Unsightly nails are not attractive, and chewed and scabbed skin around your nails shows others that you may be struggling with anxiety, which can be a turn-off. Get regular manicures when you can in order to keep biting and chewing at bay. Number 11. Be polite. Being rude is one of the biggest turn-offs. You could be the most gorgeous person in the world, but if your attitude stinks and you're rude to others, nobody is going to want to be around you. So be kind and considerate, it goes a long way. Number 12. Upgrade your style. This doesn't mean go out and buy a whole new wardrobe of designer clothes, but if you are still wearing items from high school, maybe it's time for a shopping trip. Pick pieces that are functional and work toward curating a cohesive and unique style. Number 13. Keep facial hair trimmed. Unruly and unkempt beards are out. Keep it neat and tidy to increase attractiveness. Don't forget to wash and condition your beard as well, to keep it soft and smelling great. Number 14. Fix your smile. Bad teeth are a deal breaker for many people. If you need braces, get them. Look into something like Invisalign systems to avoid old school metal braces. Book a whitening session while you're at it and keep up with regular dentist visits. Number 15. Develop a sense of humor. The more easygoing and able to laugh things off you can be, the better. People are more attracted to those who can take a joke and give one right back. This does not mean you should allow yourself to be the butt of every joke or bullied. Stand up for yourself when needed, and laugh when you can. Number 16. Prioritize your mental health. If your mental health is suffering, people can tell and may be weary of striking up a relationship. Stay in touch with yourself and make your mental health a top priority. You can do this by going to therapy regularly, working out, meditating, or talking to your physician. Happiness begets happiness. Number 17. Keep it fresh. This step is about smelling good. The scent is an important component for your subconscious. Someone may not find you initially psychically attractive, but if you are smelling nice, it may sway them. Change up your body wash or soap and consider a new cologne or perfume. But do not overdo it. Number 18. Become a storyteller. Being able to tell a great story is a very attractive quality. You can captivate a potential partner with a well-told anecdote. Learn how to embellish without going overboard and keep it concise. There are all kinds of storytelling workshops you can attend to hone your craft. Check out one in your area. Maybe you'll even meet a potential partner while you're there. Number 19. Make eye contact. Eye contact is important when attracting a partner. Making eye contact screams confidence and helps make connections. Practice not looking down or around a room during any conversation, but don't stare too long, it can come off creepy and make the other person uncomfortable. Number 20. Be confident. This is the most important and necessary step to increase your attractiveness. Those who are confident attract attention without trying. You could be the most attractive person in the room, but if you're not confident, it shows. This is the same for the opposite. Maybe you aren't the most attractive person around, but if you show that you are confident and you own who you are, potential partners will be drawn to you. Some of these steps are easy, like standing up straight, smelling good, and wearing sunscreen. However, some of them take a little more introspection. The most important thing is to take care of your health, body, and mind. If you focus on those things, you will automatically be more attractive and invite positive attention to your world. Find things that make you feel confident and great and do them regularly. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your family and friends. Please remember to subscribe my channel to see more videos like this in the future. Thanks for watching.